what's up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here from GuitarJams.com. I did a fun cover of this tune with my buddy Jamie. The guitar was actually tuned a half step down for that lesson. I'm going to teach it in standard. Also, I'm teaching a little different than an old lesson I did a long time ago. And that's it. Oh, also got bonus features down there, the link below this box. I appreciate that extra support. But let's zoom in right now and break this one down. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to teach this song in A. The original recording is tuned lower than A and higher than G. I have a super old YouTube video before I knew people would actually be watching it. I teach it in G. Now I'm going to teach it in A, which I think is a little more accurate way. So we need to be able to play an A chord with one finger. A power chord or even a full A chord. You got to be able to do that with the one finger. Now check this out. And then 4 on the A string, you're going to be seeing this little thing. So when you think of that blues, from that A, like an A blues, you have that little move there. Check it out. Now our opening move is going to be 3, 4, and then 2, 4 on the D string. But we want to keep that index finger down ready for that A power chord. We get that high A emphasized. And so what I'm going to do to make it so I can strum it is I'm going to use my thumb to mute the E string. That way, no matter what I strum, I'm only hearing. So then I strum it and I do. So then the next move, you're going to want to be able to play a G chord. I like this G chord with the double ring and pinky down on the B and G. On the B and the high E. Because then you can go to the D real nice with that ring finger staying there. So check it out real slow, that intro. Work on our muting a little bit. So if you look, just a standard. Finally, A, G, G, D, G, G, D. And then now the verses, faster than that, okay? So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And so the chords of the verse are A, E, G, D, 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 D. Some country licks are gonna fill back before you hit the A, E, G. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking a little break right before it goes back to the A to get into that original thing I taught you. Do some licks which is just that 3-4 kind of thing. And I've been kind of improvising it. And that's fun to do. It's okay to improvise. Then it goes into the chorus, and I'm going like this. So the way the chords are changing are a little weird because they're on some of the up strums there. So let's see. So I'm doing one strum up on the G. Get out again. Okay, from the top, I'm just going to play it now, put it all together. Here it comes. there. Now the verse. Now we're gonna do the chorus. Here we go. Hey, on the beat, I'll be true. Thanks for hanging out. Got bonus features in the link down here below this box. Thanks for hanging out, and hope to see you again real soon. See you later.